Hey everyone, welcome. We're about to jump into something that is frankly a total game changer. I'm talking about a full AI toolkit that lets you build a professional-looking show using nothing but a script. We're going to break down how you get from just an idea to a finished video. So let's get right into it. So let me ask you this. Have you ever had a killer idea for a show, but then you just stopped? You thought about the expensive mic, the complicated camera, or, the pressure of actually having to be on screen. Well, what if I told you all of that is officially a thing of the past? The solution is this really clever 3-stage production line. It makes the whole thing so much simpler. We're going to break it down into 3 easy steps. First, we craft the voice. Then we create a visual presenter. And finally, we piece it all together with an editor that honestly feels like pure magic. Okay, first up, the voice. And look, you gotta forget everything you know about those old, robotic text-to-speech voices. We're talking about generating rich, human-sounding voices that can actually connect with an audience. This is the foundation. It's the soul of the whole project. So once we have that amazing voice, we need to give it a face. With AI avatar animation, you can take a single static image, a character you designed, and bring it to life. This is how you build a consistent, professional look for your show, all without ever stepping foot in front of a camera. And last but not least, the assembly. This is where we bring the voice and the face together. We're going to use an AI-powered editor that completely flips the script on how this is done, making the whole process as easy as editing a text document. Seriously. So let's kick things off with step 1, crafting that voice. For this, we're turning to the absolute industry leader, ElevenLabs. This tool is all about creating voices that don't just read your script, they perform it. And the really key phrase to focus on here is emotional range. That's what makes all the difference. You're not just getting words read back to you, you're getting a performance. You're getting nuance, authenticity, and that's absolutely crucial for keeping your audience hooked. And the workflow couldn't be easier. You literally just sign up, pick a voice you like from their huge library, paste in your script, and click Generate. You can even tweak the settings a little bit to get the delivery just right, and then boom, you download your audio as an MP3. It's that straightforward. What's awesome is you can start completely for free just to test the waters. But once you're ready to get serious, that creator plan for $22 a month, that gives you more than enough juice for several episodes. It's really the perfect sweet spot for most people. Okay, audio file is ready to go. Now it's time to create our on-screen presenter. For this part of the production line, we're going to use HeyGen, a tool that's specifically designed to take a static image and give our voice a super believable face. Now, the thing that matters most here is lip sync accuracy. This is what separates the good from the great. It's what makes the animation feel real. HeyGen is incredible at matching the mouth movements, the blinks, even the subtle head tilts to your audio, and the result is this amazingly photorealistic presenter. And just like before, the process is super direct. You start with a character image. You can use a tool like Midjourney to create a really unique one. Then you just upload that audio file we made in ElevenLabs, let it generate the video, and download the final MP4. Simple as that. Again, you can try it out with a free trial. The creator plan is a great starting point, giving you 15 minutes of video generation a month. To put that in perspective, that's enough to produce 2 or 3 5-minute explainers just like this one every single month. It's worth pointing out that you do have options. DID is another really popular tool. So here's the trade-off. HeyGen gives you that next-level photorealism, but DID is often a little faster to process. So it really just depends on what's more important for your project. All right, we have our audio, we have our video. Now for the final step, and honestly, my favorite part, the assembly. For this, we're using a tool called Descript, and I promise you it's going to completely change how you think about editing. This right here is the whole idea, and it's absolutely brilliant. When you drop your video in, Descript automatically creates a text transcript. Now, if you want to cut something out of your video, you just delete the words from the text. That's it. No more messing with timelines or waveforms. You edit your video like it's a Word doc. The whole process is just so efficient. You import your files, and then you do all your fine-tuning right in the text. But the real secret weapon is a feature called Studio Sound. It is a one-click button that gets rid of background noise and makes your audio sound like it was recorded in a high-end studio. It is an absolute game changer. The free and creator plans are solid, but that pro plan at $24 a month, that's where the real power is.
It's what unlocks that incredible studio sound feature. And trust me, it's an investment that pays for itself the very first time you use it. The quality jump is just massive.
So, we've walked through the entire production line. We've seen all the tools. But what does this all boil down to, in terms of actual money and time? Let's take a look at the bottom line. When you add everything up, a full-blown professional-grade AI production suite comes out to around $90 a month. Now think about that. That covers your voice, your avatar, your editing, plus other tools for music and art. It's a tiny fraction of what traditional equipment costs. And what about your time? Well, once you get your workflow dialed in, you can take a 5-minute episode from a finished script to a final video in about 3 hours. 3 hours! A whole video production cycle done in a single afternoon. It's incredible. And here it is, all broken down. You've got ElevenLabs for the voice, HeyGen for the avatar, Descript for the editing, and then we've even factored in about $20 for tools like Suno AI to generate custom music, and Midjourney for your character art. It's your complete, affordable, creative engine. So really, the big takeaway is this. The technology is here, it's easy to get, and it's more powerful than ever. All those old barriers to creating amazing content, they're gone. They've been totally dismantled. So the only real question left is, what story are you going to tell?